Automated material handling systems are a major investment. Uptime and longevity are critical to getting a return on that investment, and that requires staffing. But the skilled labor shortage continues to be a thorn in the side of logistics operations everywhere, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Intense competition for a limited pool of skilled technicians means high turnover, with operations trapped in extended recruiting and training cycles. Add planned downtime windows become even smaller, and the drive to protect business continuity and deliver ROI squeezes maintenance teams to the limit. How can you find relief? Whether you rely on in-house resources, outsource completely for the resident maintenance program, or settle on something in between, you must have a comprehensive plan for maintenance. To help you plan, let's review various approaches to resourcing. First, handling services with an in-house maintenance team. Even if you handle maintenance with in-house resources, you still need to have a plan in place for remote and emergency on-site support. That support must be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. In addition to availability, look for a service partner with rigorous processes and problem-solving capabilities, and a regional presence that enables them to quickly react to on-site needs.
Or maybe you need an additional level of external support. In that case, consider bolstering in-house resources with remote and supplemental support for regular preventive maintenance and during peak periods. Supplemental maintenance support can help you scale up with expert, trained technicians available when and where you need them. This approach saves you the pain of hiring and training new staff or redeploying existing in-house resources that are already stretched thin. But if you want total relief from the constant cycle of hiring and training techs, consider outsourcing with a residential maintenance program. You get guaranteed staffing with factory-trained technicians deployed as an extension of your on-site staff at a predictable, pre-negotiated rate. It's a comprehensive turnkey maintenance program with the service provider accountable for performance targets, like equipment uptime, time to repair, CMMS administration, and recurring training to keep technicians up to date. Day-to-day parts management and regular service is only the beginning. Resident maintenance is a resource for strategic planning with an annual system assessment and lifecycle planning of system assets to guide capital allocation for upgrades, repairs, and more. Talk to MHS Lifecycle Performance Services for the full picture of what outsourced maintenance can do for your operation.